Peptides and more peptides. Okay, so we kind of beat the dead horse with TB or BPC 157. So now we're going to talk about the helper. So the helper that everybody talks about for BPC 157 is called TB-500. It's also known as thymosin beta 4. It's a fragment. It's a synthetic fragment of thymosin beta 4, which is naturally occurring peptide. And it's found in and involved in cell migration and tissue regeneration. So the nerdy side of me goes into the biochemistry and the mechanism. So it regulates actin polymerization, allowing cells to move to injury sites. It enhances angiogenesis. We've talked about that with BPC 157, is that it increases blood supply. It reduces fibrosis and inflammation and promotes stem cell differentiation. That's kind of a cool thing. So unlike BPC 157, which is more localized, TB-500 works more systemically. So it has a half-life of about 2 to 4 hours, but its tissue effects work for weeks. BPC 157, they've done studies that it works even up to a year by upregulating some things. So these things work for a really long time after you've done even one treatment. So clinical uses: muscle tears, ligament and tendon injuries, post-workout recovery, chronic inflammation, scar tissue remodeling. TB-500 helps cells move where they're needed, accelerating repair, reducing stiffness and inflammation throughout the whole body. So, and look, here's a little bit of an advanced explanation. It enhances the cytoskeletal remodeling system, enables fibroblasts and endothelial cells and myocytes to migrate efficiently and regenerate damaged tissue. Like, here's the deal. When you hear about TB-500, most of the time it's in conjunction with BPC 157, because although BPC 157 originally was called the Wolverine peptide, what's happened is they've created this combination now of BPC 157 and TB-500, and now that's known as the Wolverine peptide blend. And so people, when they're talking about Wolverine, this is what they mean: BPC 157 combined with TB-500, and it works amazing, and people get unbelievable results, especially with healing from injury. So really, really good at healing the body. And we're going to go into the next time. We'll talk a little bit about the next guy that's in that mix, which is GHK-Cu, which is a copper peptide. And we'll talk about that on the other side.